Mrbeast. From invisible to unstoppable. The obsession that built a YouTube empire. The first time you hear the name Mrbeast, you might think, oh, probably just another lucky YouTuber. But dig deeper, and you'll see, luck had nothing to do with it. It was all relentless effort, deep obsession, and a vision so insane it changed the rules of the game. A 13-year-old kid, a silent channel, 5 years of nobody watching. Jimmy Donaldson, aka Mrbeast, uploaded his first video at 13. The topic? Gaming. The quality? Average at best. The views? A few dozen. And his channel? Practically invisible. For 5 long years, no fame. No money. No recognition. Let's be real. Would you keep going after even 5 months with 0 results? Mrbeast did it for 5 years. And here's the crazy part. He didn't just make videos. He studied YouTube like a mad scientist. Analyze. Fail. Repeat. Rise. Imagine a teenager breaking down viral videos, tracking every thumbnail, every title, every first second of a trending clip, drawing charts, studying retention graphs, A/B testing titles. Not for homework, not for a job, but because of obsession. Jimmy spent 100 days analyzing the YouTube algorithm. He recorded patterns, experimented with hooks, thumbnails, sound, and storylines. And the result? Still no one watched. But he didn't stop. He tested, failed, optimized, tested again. Until one day he uploaded a video counting from 1 to 100,000. It sounded ridiculous, but millions watched. And Mrbeast was no longer invisible. Making videos? That was just the start. Think that was luck? No, that was a refined formula, distilled from time, sweat, and obsession. From that point forward, Jimmy never used money for luxury. He reinvested every single dollar back into his content. Bigger challenges, bolder ideas, videos that no one else could replicate. From surviving 50 hours in the wild to recreating Squid Game in real life, with real cash prizes, Mrbeast's scale became unreachable. He didn't just become a YouTuber. He became a one-man media empire. 4. Powerful lessons from Mrbeast. 1. Obsession is your asset, not your weakness. Mrbeast didn't succeed because he was the most talented. He succeeded because he was the most obsessed. With YouTube, he breathed it, slept with it, lived inside it. If you want greatness, don't ask, how do I balance? Ask instead, am I willing to go all the way? 2. There are no shortcuts. For the first 5 years, he had 0 results. But instead of quitting, he learned from the best. He studied what worked. He mimicked success. He improved daily. Not the fastest, but the most deliberate. 3. Build a business, not just content. Every viral video wasn't a trophy. It was fuel. Mrbeast reinvested everything into his next project. No video was recycled. Every release pushed boundaries, creatively and financially. That's the difference between a creator and a visionary entrepreneur. Dreams so big it sounds insane. Mrbeast never aimed for 100,000 subscribers. He wanted the biggest YouTube channel on earth. Now, he's well on his way, with over 350 million followers as of 2025. You can't build something extraordinary if your dream is ordinary. One final question: Mrbeast didn't start with better tools. He didn't have better connections. What he had, and what you can have, was simple. Unshakable commitment to his path. The willingness to go all the way when everyone else quits. The courage to keep showing up when no one notices. The discipline to take his dreams seriously, even when others didn't. What about you? What will you do after this video ends? Open your laptop and start writing that first script? Set an alarm to learn how to edit? Or tell yourself, I don't have time? You don't need to start great, but you do need to start seriously. Only when you take yourself seriously, the world will follow. Save this message. Send it to a friend who's stuck. Because sometimes obsession is what turns ordinary people into legends.